Cooking with ADHD is not just about chopping vegetables or following a recipe. It's literally managing all the invisible steps before you even touch a knife. If you decide that you wanted to make something, you have to decide what you want to make. Check the fridge, clear the counter, clean the pans, maybe the sink. Maybe you want to even clean the fridge first to see what you got in your fridge, and I don't know. But by the time you do all that, the overwhelm likely has kicked in. And if you live with ADHD, you know exactly what I mean. Cooking can feel like a full executive function marathon. Planning, time blindness, sequencing, cleanup, and sometimes your brain just says, nah, we ain't doing that. I've had nights where I've opened the fridge, stared at it, closed it again, and reached for chips. Not something I'm proud of, but it is what it is. And it wasn't honestly because I didn't care. It was because the steps between hunger and getting nourished just felt too far apart. And honestly, that's how these meal prep sessions and the live came about. It's really just a form of practice. And it's a way to build some gentle structure around something that usually can overwhelm me. When I press record, I'm creating accountability. When I decide to share it, I'm creating community. I'm creating celebration too when I share it, honestly. And it's not performance. It's just permission. Permission to take myself seriously, permission to take care of myself, permission to show up imperfectly in public at that. All right. So what you're doing right now is you're watching me make a kale salad. It's simple. It's nothing fancy. But it's mad good. I ain't even gonna front. It's delicious. I can't wait to show y'all this on Sunday. It's not just a salad though. It's, me fighting through forgetfulness, me making a conscious effort to nourish myself. It's me clearing the counter space, me clearing the space in my head, building momentum and, building momentum where avoidance used to take up residence. And it still does, honestly. I'm still sometimes fighting against that. But this very salad, this one right here, is going to be a part of what we're making on Sunday during the ADHD Meal Prep Live. So if you're wanting to eat better, to move your body a little bit more, or just cook with people who get it and come and hang out, bring your kale. And don't forget to bring yourself too. ADHD brains struggle with initiation and follow through, and not from lack of willpower, but wiring rather. And while there's no single fix, we can work with our brains instead of against them, and we could do it in community. So I'll see you on Sunday.